Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Step into a culinary haven that seamlessly blends modern functionality with rustic warmth. This modern rustic wooden kitchen design offers a space that's both stylish and inviting, perfect for creating delicious meals and connecting with loved ones. Centerpiece with character, rustic island appeal. A large kitchen island crafted from reclaimed or distressed wood takes center stage. The natural variations in tone and texture tell a story, adding a touch of rustic charm and grounding the space. The clean lines and modern hardware keep the design functional and inviting. Warmth and texture, exposed beauty, exposed wooden beams overhead, perhaps painted white for a modern touch. Add architectural interest and warmth. They connect visually with the island and create a sense of openness. Modern touches, sleek countertops. Sleek countertops in materials like quartz or polished concrete contrast beautifully with the rustic wooden elements. They offer a modern feel and a practical, easy-to-clean surface. Storage solutions, mixed cabinetry. Combine the best of both worlds with a mix of cabinet styles. Opt for sleek, modern cabinets with clean lines in a neutral color for the main storage. Incorporate a few rustic wooden cabinets or open shelves to showcase dishes and add a touch of warmth. Metallic accents, light and shine. Metallic accents like brushed nickel or brass hardware on cabinets. Pendant lights or faucets add a touch of modern elegance. They balance the rustic elements and create a touch of sophistication. Finishing touches, woven warmth. A woven rug made from natural fibers like jute or seagrass warms the floor and adds a touch of rustic texture underfoot. It complements the wooden elements and provides a comfortable contrast to the hard surfaces. Live edge details. Incorporate a unique butcher block countertop or a small rustic stool crafted from live edge wood. This showcases the natural beauty of the wood and adds a touch of organic character. Pops of greenery, hanging herbs strategically placed near the window or potted succulents displayed on open shelves add pops of life and connect the space to nature. Overall ambience, this modern rustic wooden kitchen design is a harmonious blend of natural textures and clean lines. It's a space that feels warm, inviting, and effortlessly stylish, perfect for inspiring culinary creations and fostering connections with loved ones. A modern rustic wooden kitchen offers a unique and compelling combination, providing a space that's both timeless and functionally stylish. Here's why you might consider this design direction for your culinary haven: warmth and character. Natural beauty. Wood brings a sense of warmth and character to a kitchen. The variations in tone and texture inherent in rustic elements create a welcoming atmosphere perfect for gathering and creating delicious meals. Modern edge with timeless appeal, enduring style. Rustic design elements never go out of style. They offer a sense of heritage and connection to the past. Pairing them with modern features creates a space that feels fresh, current, and effortlessly stylish. Functionality and beauty, modern touches. Modern kitchen design emphasizes clean lines, smart storage solutions, and high functionality. Integrating these aspects with rustic wood elements creates a kitchen that's both beautiful and easy to use. Durability and easy maintenance. Built to last, high-quality wood cabinetry is known for its durability. With proper care, it can last for generations. Modern countertops and hardware are often designed for easy cleaning and low maintenance. Light and airy appeal, open concept potential. Modern kitchens often favor open floor plans. Combining this with natural wood elements can create a light, airy, and spacious feel, perfect for entertaining and fostering a sense of connection. Versatility and personalization. Adaptable design. The beauty of this style lies in its adaptability. You can lean more towards the rustic side with reclaimed wood and exposed beams, or create a more modern feel with sleek wood cabinets and minimalist countertops. Unique expression. Wood comes in a variety of styles, from light and Scandinavian-inspired to dark and dramatic. This allows you to create a kitchen that reflects your unique personality and taste. Value and investment. Long-lasting beauty. High-quality wood cabinetry is an investment that can appreciate in value over time. It adds character and charm to your kitchen, making it a desirable feature for potential buyers. Overall, a modern rustic wooden kitchen offers a perfect blend of warmth, functionality, and timeless style. It creates a comfortable and inviting space that inspires culinary creativity, fosters connections, and reflects your appreciation for natural materials and modern design. Here's a roadmap to transform your kitchen into a culinary haven that seamlessly blends modern functionality with rustic warmth, planning and inspiration. 1. Define your rustic modern mix. Browse magazines, websites like Pinterest, and online kitchen design galleries to find inspiration. Do you crave a light and airy Scandinavian vibe with light wood tones, or a farmhouse feel with darker, richer woods? Determine the balance between rustic and modern that best suits your taste and the overall style of your home. 2. Measure and sketch. Before diving into major changes, grab a measuring tape and sketch a layout of your kitchen. Consider the placement of appliances, the sink, and the all-important kitchen triangle for efficient workflow. Factor in the size of your ideal island if you plan to incorporate one. 3. Budgeting. Modern features and high-quality wood cabinetry can be an investment, so establish a realistic budget up front. This will guide your choices for cabinets, countertops, appliances, and decorative accents, key features and decisions. 4. Statement island. Optional. A large island can be a focal point and provide valuable workspace. If including one, consider crafting it from reclaimed or distressed wood for a rustic touch. Opt for clean lines and modern hardware to maintain a balanced look. 5. Cabinetry combination. Strike a balance between rustic charm and modern functionality. Choose sleek, modern cabinets with clean lines in a neutral color for the bulk of your storage. Integrate a few rustic wooden cabinets or open shelves with distressed finishes to showcase dishes and add a touch of warmth. 6. Countertop contrast. Select a modern countertop material that complements the rustic wood cabinets. Quartz or polished concrete offer durability, easy maintenance, and a sleek look that beautifully contrasts with the warmth of the wood. Bringing in texture and light. 7. Exposed beauty. Optional. Consider exposing wooden beams overhead, perhaps painting them white for a modern touch. This adds architectural interest, warmth, and complements the wooden cabinetry. 8. Woven warmth. Incorporate a large woven rug made from natural fibers like jute or seagrass. This warms the floor, adds a touch of rustic texture, and provides a comfortable contrast to the hard surfaces, metallic accents and finishing touches. 9. Light and shine. Modern hardware on cabinets, sleek pendant lights over the island or sink area, and a brushed nickel faucet add a touch of modern elegance. These metallic accents balance the rustic elements and create a touch of sophistication. 10. Live edge details. Optional. Consider incorporating a unique butcher block countertop or a small rustic stool crafted from live edge wood. This showcases the natural beauty of the wood and adds a touch of organic character. 11. Pops of greenery. Hanging planters with herbs strategically placed near a window or potted succulents displayed on open shelves add pops of life and connect the space to nature. 12. Lighting for ambience. Combine ambient lighting with task lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Consider recessed lighting for general illumination and pendant lights or sconces for task lighting over specific areas. Remember, quality over quantity. Invest in high-quality wooden cabinets and countertops that will last for years to come. Maximize natural light. Make the most of natural light by keeping windows uncluttered and choosing light-colored curtains. Personalize your space. Don't be afraid to incorporate elements that reflect your personality and cooking style. This is your kitchen, so make it a space you love to spend time in. By following these steps and unleashing your creativity, you can design a modern rustic wooden kitchen that's both beautiful and functional. It will be a space that inspires culinary creations, fosters connections with loved ones, and reflects your appreciation for natural materials and modern design. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.